Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Nefertiti. I am bringing you a video today where I am redoing the cabinets in my master bedroom, and currently I am an owner occupant, so I wanted to do something that would easily transition when I went to go and rent it out, but that also didn't cost an arm and a leg. The contact paper I'll be using is roughly about $10 after tax, and it's okay. There is actually better quality ones on Amazon, so if you're looking to do this, I would check out there as well.
Just get some nice alignment spot right here. Not worried about cutting our table, being that it's glass, it's a perfect cutting surface. Just beautiful.
So I do actually plan to redo this whole entire area, so you will see where I've tried to start peeling the wallpaper off, but I was told that I was doing it incorrectly, so I stopped. So I will have a black contact paper that is high gloss wood look on the bottom, and I'll have this granite white look on the top. So you guys stay tuned for that next video as well. And of course, tell me what you guys think. This is also renter friendly, so if you are renting an apartment or something like that as well, you can actually put this on and you can take it off before you leave, or you can just leave it, but it does come off fairly easily, so if you wanted to do this, you could. So we did go ahead and take the glue that was on the original surface off, because we did at the end go back and seal it with new glue or new caulking, however that is. I think that's the word. So yeah, that is what you see us taking off right there. These cabinets do stain super easily, so it was really imperative for me to actually put something over it that would be easy to transition when I went to rent it out. So this is the most cost-effective way that I could think of for it to look nice and not cost me an arm and a leg. Guys, for this project you are going to need to have another person help you. I don't know if it's just this particular contact paper or if they're like that in general, but this was tough. This actually took a little bit, close to like 2 hours to do from beginning to end, cutting and making sure that everything was on there right. So yeah, you are going to need an extra set of hands for a project like this. Unless you're just extremely good and you're non-clumsy, but for me, I knew that I would mess this up because it's sticky, and me and stickers and stuff like that, yeah, we don't go well together. Shout out to Mr. I Can Do It All, because without him, I literally would not have gotten this done. So I would have actually finished this whole counter and the cabinet itself, but the contact paper that I wanted, they do not have at Lowe's. So actually I'm waiting for some to come in on Amazon. So as soon as I get that, I'll be sure to show you guys how to do that as well. This little corner right here was, I don't know what was going on, but that edge was so hard to get off, or get on, I should say. So basically we had to heat that section up, and heating it up actually helped. So keep a hair dryer close by if you are looking to do something like this as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay to the end to see the final view of this. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!